Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to disable startup sound on 70mai M300 dashcam. So as you see, there's two things that you need to have besides the dashcam. And the first thing, that's the mini USB cable that you need to plug in. And the second one is a phone with 70mai application installed on it. So once you install the application, just click on it, as I did right now. Then it will guide you to set up with your dashcam, connect it, and then go to the top three dots at the top right of your screen. And then scroll down till you see the startup sound tab. Click on it and click off, and it will automatically play. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.